Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. In this video, I thought we would take a look at Vechain, look at some of the price action that's been going on with Vechain, show you what I see over the week, over the day and all sorts, show you some news, some interesting stuff happening with Vechain. If this sounds interesting to you, please drop that like, give me a subscribe if you're new watching. I will try and do my best to give you the best data I can give you. Before I get into this, I need to let you know, I'm not a financial advisor. These are just my own personal opinions on the market, so please do your further research before you invest your money. I'm going to start off with this. Vechain Thor mainnet reaches 10 million block milestone with no downtime. This is a good look for Vechain. Supply chain platform Vechain has reached a milestone in terms of uptime and processed blocks on the Vechain Thor mainnet. This makes me wonder, maybe I should keep my V Thor because it might become more valuable. The Vechain Foundation posted the achievement on the Twitter feed on Wednesday, adding that it's a major milestone that is hold on, testament to our public blockchain scalability, security, and rock solid stability. Where's the tweet? Is this it here? No, that's not it. I'm going to show you in a second. I just can't find it. I saw the tweet and then I went onto it, I clicked and it took me here. But it is a good milestone for them. It really is. Look, let me just come away and just look at this now, because, I wanted to see what Vechain was doing on their Twitter and what's been going on in the ecosystem and stuff in the in the Vechain space. I was going to say the eco space. I ain't cutting it. Raw fresh on the like Tesco's, remember? They launched their server, the Discord server, and it's been live for how long now? I don't know. This says September the 3rd. I don't know if that's the most recent one, but or the first actual post of it, because I know that's what they've been looking to do. They're giving away 100,000 Vechain. Have they done that yet? I don't know. Drop some comments down below if you're in this. Tons of events are scheduled with over $20,000 in prizes to be won. You might not want to miss this. So, make sure you get over to their server, their Discord, and join in. I think it's, good to join in on these things. Easy, free money, right? This one here, look, as reported by China News PwC, in China International Fair for Trade in Services has officially announced that AirTrace is powered by Vechain. I actually grabbed this up because I wanted to see the tweet about itself here. 1,000 retweets. Ross! It will serve PwC's clients for traceability solutions. We are proud to support the major initiative. Is that right? I think that's right. Now, I thought I'd just grab it up to show you what it looks like. AirTrace is this. And I think they're like massive ships that do cargoes. I don't know. Is it planes as well? Because AirTrace. Or is it just because the plane's going through the air? You breathe in the air and I don't know. I'm just saying. But I see cargoes. And maybe there's a situation where companies are unsure of the brands that they're receiving, if they're receiving the legitimate things. We know that on being on the blockchain, you ain't gonna have that problem because you can see everything, right? And if Vechain's supporting that, that's a good look. I haven't dived too deep into this, but it is a good look for Vechain. The ecosystem is just growing, and I told you this in one of my prior videos, I can't remember which one, right back down here, I don't know, that you're just going to wake up one day, and no matter what you do, it's going to be powered or, solved or something with Vechain. I can see it happening, I really can. So that was just a little bit of news that I've been looking at. There's probably lots more, but I just wanted to sort of show you what's going on over the last week or two with Vechain. Let's take a look at the price. This is the daily time frame. I got my 21-day moving average up. I'd like to show you this, I've always said in the past, if Vechain has ever been above this 21 yellow line, it's powerful because it bounces off it like a wave. Usually, a little squidge under there, usually rides it like a wave, and you can see here how movement has gone to the upside with Vechain. But the same works when it breaks it. If it's ever broken this yellow line, look, it's always found it hard to resist. It tried to come above, it fell back down, just couldn't break above the yellow line, and I feel like I'm a commentator. And it broke above! Okay, I gotta stop. So yeah, Vechain's come above. It's, come down, tested this yellow line. It bounced off it like a wave. And I think it's gonna continue to do this. That's the easiest way to show you Vechain. Trust me, if anyone's confused about these charts, just grab up the 21 day and let it, you just watch it. If it's above, it's gonna ride above it usually. Or if it's below it, it will resist. That's the easiest way to show you. If you want to grab this up, use TradingView. It's free, just download TradingView or go on the website. And, you can come over here, little box here. You can type Vechain and you can find which one you want to use. I just type Vechain. You can click crypto here because it's just crypto. And I use the Binance one, the top one. So that will show the charts. And then obviously to get the 21. I'm just showing you, sometimes you've got to teach people how to fish and not just give them some fish. What am I laughing for? And here, indicators, you type no. moving average. There you go. Look, right there. And you click on that. That will grab up the 21 and you can change the colors. Let's just take a look at this on the weekly time frame. Actually, I want to show you it like this. And the reason I'm going to show you it like this is because I've got the ribbon up. Now, this is the weekly time frame. How do you know? Because if you click over here, you can change it. Look, 1 day, 1 week. And you can get a very good insight as to what's going to happen with Vehchain in the future, or just overall with its price and its chart. Now, actually, before I get into that, look at this, right? Look at this. This is Vehchain at the max overall. Vehchain went up. And it had a massive drop down. People thought it was the end of the world. We all experienced this disgusting drop. Disgusting ribbon. I'm just thinking of Matilda with Aunt Chanchable. Who was it? No, who was it? Was it? Who was wearing a little red ribbon yesterday and isn't wearing a ribbon today? Who does this disgusting thing belong to? Anyway, I had to get it out. I love it. I love saying it. Anyway, it was such a big drop. I'm talking, 70%? It was something so big that it was enough to flush people out of the market, and I think it did. And it's starting to come back up now. But what I'm saying is, even though you saw this massive drop, 70%, I'm sure, bit of silence there, Vehchain has never once entered a bear market. I thought we was in a mini bear market. But in all fairness, when you look at the weekly time, that's what I showed you, right? We look at the weekly time frame, all it did was correct. It came down off this ribbon. And just like the 21, look, it bounces off it. Look, bounces off it, rides it. All it did was come down and bounce off it. Look at that. You can see it so clearly with the ribbon on the weekly time frame. Not once has it been bearish. How do you know if it's in a bear trend? Because usually the ribbon crosses. Look, here you can see where we went from a bearish trend and it crossed into the bullish because the ribbons crossed, look, tangled up and the yellow line was above. Whenever the yellow line's above, it means bullish, you see? That's what I think anyway. At least it shows that. And if you take a good look back at Vehchain, had it had enough data, because you can see here the lines don't finish, this was 2018's bull cycle, the top of the market cushion, then it crashed down. Vehchain just come out, right? So it was the worst time to come out, Vehchain, through the bear market. It came down, and you can see that there would have been a cross. I can tell you now, these little line things, there would have been a cross up here somewhere where it would have crossed and the yellow line would have come underneath. Underneath, guys. Underneath. I ain't cut it. Raw first, I got Tesco, remember? And the reason I know that it was a bear trend is because the yellow line is underneath, look. The yellow line is underneath. Whenever it's above, the yellow line's above, it's bullish. Red means bearish. And you can see, look, came price action below this yellow line, which means it was a bearish trend. Tried to break above, look, broke off, came back down, resisted, kind of did, but fell back down, crashed. This was the bottom of Vehchain's, that was the bottom right there. That was capitulation. That was when we had that vid action, right? The C19 action right there. And that was the bottom. And ever since then, we've had this cross, like I said. Vehchain has been in a bull market. All the way back since 2020, right up until March 2020 to now, it's been a bull market. And all it's done is it took a healthy correction. Just like it did here. Look, came up, corrected down to this line. So watch this ribbon. That's what I'm trying to get at. Watch the ribbon, guys. It looks like it's going to give us a good insight as to what's going on. I've got this golden line here. Let me just show you on the daily. I think I'm going to be able to express it better on the daily time frame. I got this. Oh, no, I haven't got it there. Let me change the ribbon to the daily then, because I wanted to show you this golden line. It's important. Got this golden line, right? And I think that this is going to be a test for Vehchain if it can break it. Why? Because this is a huge resistance right now, right? And I'm talking short term, maybe next week or two. It might get rejected. I don't know. But Vehchain needs to break this line, guys. We need to see Vehchain come above 15 cents over here. See it? 15.5 cents. It has to come above that. Because if it don't, you can see in the past, look, some resistance there. Sorry, support, some support there. This was a heavy line for Vehchain. Look, it tried to break it once here. And it failed. Look what happened. Came straight down. It didn't even get close to breaking. We tried to break it yesterday. These are the daily time frame charts now, right? Look at the candles. We tried to break it yesterday. It failed at the time of recording this video. And it's coming up again. It needs to break this. If we see a nice green candle clear, and then we see a next candle print above, it could be super bullish for Vehchain. That's a bit too long. That's a bit just a little green cat. It could be bullish for Vechain. So I'm keeping my eye on this price, 15.5 cents. It needs to break it. If it doesn't, it's going to reject it, and I expect it to go back lower. And what price am I looking at? Right here, guys, look, right here. I'm looking for it to test down to the yellow line, which is the 12, almost 13 cents, 0.129. That's what. So if you're looking to buy some Vechain, that could be a nice little dip, you know. But if it doesn't come above this, watch it come down to here. That's what I think. Okay, 13 cents, let's call it. That's what I think it's going to come down to. And then it might bounce off it just like what we saw in the past, right? So that's what I'm watching. But yeah, that's all I can see at the moment, right? And I'm going to keep you updated with Vechain. I know you like the Vechain price predictions and analysis and all sorts. Are you into Vechain? Are you buying some? If not, you know, because I don't know, it could be a good time to buy in there. Price might break above, like what I said, and it, you know, it might be great. If it doesn't, you know, maybe catch it at the 13 cents. It's right here, 15 cents right now. Let's see what happens. I'm going to leave it here. If this was helpful to you, please drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Thank you for watching. Love me some Vechain, best believe. I love all kind of coins, you know. What do you want to see? I think I need to bring another video of the, because, you know, sometimes I reach out to you guys and give a video on what you want. Drop some comments down below what you want to see. I will drop a video for it for you, and yeah, we'll take it from there. So thank you for watching. If you want to become a patron, 7 tiers, take your pick. I recommend my exclusive VIP partner tier. The link is in any video in my description. Just click it, become a patron. Now's the best time, you best believe, because we're coming up to highs and got to figure out when to drop, when the price is going to collapse, right? And you don't want to be that person where it falls on your face for good, because you best believe bear markets are horrible. Become a patron. I'm going to keep them up to date and know exactly when I'm taking profits. You can do the same, okay? I've got super alerts as well. If you want that CEO partner tier, look for it. It will give you exclusive access to my VIP Telegram group. It's powerful because with this, I basically talk to them before I buy anything, before I sell anything. That's a super alert, okay? So we can discuss it before I buy it. If that sounds interesting to you, go for the super alerts. CEO partner tier, okay? So yeah, I'm going to leave it here. Thank you guys for watching. And I'm going to shout out to my patrons. Are you ready for this long ass list? Shout out to Toy Nottery, It's Time, AJ, Franksy63, Clarence Denison, look, I'm messing up with Christopher Johnson, Wiz Honor, Mr. Anonymous, Suraj Shukla, Carlos Rocha, Damaris, Dan Cox, White Holder God, Dante Kennedy, Bizzle, Max, Wisdom, Manny Sanchez, Tyron Samuel, Abby Ola, Rachel Mack, Pamela Williams, Stacks and Racks, Rick, Joffrey Williamson, Omar Thomas, Casper Nell, CCP269, Good Feels Nice, Dominic, Peter Stoddart, got a T in it. Eric, Scoop King, Simeon, Fatima Price, Shonda Owens, Tenna McLaren, Kevin Ward, Sassafy, Michael Keel, Christopher Hoss, Christy, Snowy, hold on. That's not Squirrel. Andrew Harding, Kelvin, William Fox, Escher, Claudette Tormiliosa, like Wingardium Leviosa. Ooh, just float you up in the air, you best believe. I sound like Norbit, you best believe. Norbit. Okay, I gotta stop. Shakir Hussain, Lamar Lee, Silly, Cody Harris, S. Cyril, Norbit, you do it. I can't stop. I can't stop. Cyril, Alexander Ofori, Gilbert Baggins, Eric Jackson, Paul Forrest, Powell, I think that's right, Russell Cohan, Joseph Marcus, Crypto Mac. Listen, there's loads, I promise you. Give me the gains, Videx, West A, Mo C, Fiat Justin, Mike V, J Fave, Terry JC, Ollie, Orville Broomfield, NASA, Ignacio! Just flick that wand out of your hand. It sounds like a Harry Potter spell, doesn't it? Ignacio, just flick it out of your hand. G Crypto, I love it. G Crypto Lemon 7, Chris Chico, NM That Man, Francis Loco, Zach Adam, Mansour, Jem de Jaguar, Marcus Gittery, Exelios. No, that's the one, isn't it? That's the one that flicks out your hand. Exelios, wicked. Mash up your head. Stony Mac, John Lowe, Ranjo Singh, Aiden, Eduki Okori, just spin you around. I just love it. Luke Ainsworth, Mr. Do Right, Anthony. Are you guys doing this on purpose? Like, you making up these names? I don't know. Anthony Berry, TRG Investments, Ryan Williams, Toucan Crazy Jam, Timothy J. Brusky, UKMC, No Name, Pablo, Lena 111, Sunny V, Hani Abu, Ricardo Vinegar, Shinadu, Oscar Vilgas, Crypto Moon, New to You, Jackson Tepper, Francis Hernandez, Akbar. Like Akbar, I love it. I got family with the name Akbar. Jermaine Allen, yeah, trust me, I got family all over the place. David Adedeji, Chiquita, hello. John Sandoval, Optimus Poompage, Edgar Cortez, Ramil TV, big up, bruv. Kirsten, hello. Mr. Drew, SNCCC, Mullen Albers, Joshua Asher, Black Ape, Bob Rust, Eloy, Mikey, User X 2019, Black Star, Cheles, there's two names, Cheles Creations, Akis, Voderus, rush you up. I don't know. I could just say it. Have I said that? Abba Hussein, Moises D. Lopez, Michael, Joseph Samara, Neona London, Chris Tap Dances. I best tap dance with you too. Iris, what am I for? Joey J, Raj T, Brian Reedy, Terry, Connor Goodman, Sarpin Singh, Dennis Boomman, Mark Peak, Elliot. I told you there was loads. I'm not joking. There's loads of patrons. Ryle Addy, Hassan P, Makuga. There's a reason why they become it as well. Monica Matteo, Adam Allen. What's going on my screen though? Where am I? Ralph Green, Marcus Dunbar, Johnny Matthews, Moises Gallery. Is that Mouse's Gallery? Mrs. Carla V, hello, Rizwan, A Kings, Ice Cat Trader, Connie, Williamson Johnson, Anthony Donny, Karen Danick, Kimberly Gearman, All for One, and One for All, Cylindale Tashuma, yeah, I said it. Stefan, PC World, you best believe. Marky27, Dave, Crypto Newbie, Tom, I'm slowing down. Thomas Rodriguez, Golden Bags, Noel 21, Jude Tam, Thierry, Joe Youssef, Arif Joy, Danny Rich, yep, Elstein, Carnivore 444, Morgan Culver, Joe, Cal Pashkma, Alexis Pagan, I think that's right. Seraph X, Kevin V, Crypto Hustle, Nova. Like, I've got to scroll up now. Like, this been so long since I've done this. I can't get what. It's been so long since I've done this. I've not even cut it. Rough edge again. Where am I? Mohammed Imran, Ankus Jane, Corey, Mario L, Elijah A. Lindy, I think that's right. Moinu Hussein, Eddie Laforme, D Wheels, Riyad Midakaso, I think that's right. Hashmatala, Surah Rashid, Eamon Deep Whaler, Miss Masixo, Master J, Daniel Brown, DJ Crypto, Adam Istvan, LD, Vincent Millett, Mauricio, Anoop N, A-Man Rizvi, Janetta, Legend Charles Knight, Asa Jones, Carrie, Gilbo Blaggins, Jake Ross, Cookie Crumbs, Christian Lee, I gotta have fun of it, guys. Philip Staffer, Fund Me Now, I will sort you out. You best Crypt Dive. Oh, Mr. Up. Mahar Ramadan, Fiaz Ahead, Jim, Harsha, Bent Hansen, Daniel Grigriou, I think that's right, Idol Piper, Charity Zostek, said it right, Dishanavation, I was saying your name in my dream, I don't know what, Dishanavation, what was I saying? I was saying your name, Mustafa, hold tight DJ Skylark, I'm in a place with the DJ Skylark, I'll scroll up my screen with the DJ Skylark, you best believe with the DJ Skylark, I carry on the DJ Skylark, Skylark, hey, love it, because she's a DJ, Liz Reed, just love him. The A-Team, Jacob Madaris, Dave Catho, Richard Harmer, Kyle Dawson, JP Deline, Joey Shawns. Listen, I gotta have fun. Are you laughing? Because I am. Akeem Bates, Rosemary Hanson, Justin Levin, Via Financial, Via, because you know, Americans say Via, Raycorn, Mr. Pawniti, Massey, Toyin Adikibi. Listen, I'm almost there, I promise you. I think I'm halfway. Too many patrons! I appreciate you. Oh, you best believe. Where am I? Hold on, let me do it again. Seer Coins, Soul Seeker, Theodis, I'm really trying fast. Pablo Baptista, hold on, Inigo Zubieri, I think that's right. Stefan Grunfield, I think that's right. RGC Visual, Lee Goodwin, DJ Skylar, Matthew Wood, Christian Miles, John Hung. You best stay a patron forever, Skylark, because I need to keep doing that. John Hung, Saif Rahman, Laurie Litra, Alicia Abagas, same with, what's her face? Wingardium Leviosa, that's the one. Nimu Wambugu, let me know. David Lane, because sometimes I mess it up. Sayita, Danny Ruddick, Kenny Brokaw, Aaron Nguyen, Nick Smith, Nazar, James Snowden, Mr. Bonds, Double Starred, Mustaq Dean. Listen, there's so many. Michael Knight, Esterel, Nate, Robert, John Cartage, Josh Davis, Batch 1, VJ Kumar, Fuchs, Francis B, Christopher Hamilton. I promise I'm almost there now. There's so many. Arino Lorenzo, Rafael Stepnikowski, Jordan Rutty, Gene Gerard, Saif, Matthew Kirk. I promise you, if you're still here, big up to you. You better drop another like just in case. Just in case what? Peter Butler, Saif Mohith, I think that's right. Martin Wehenko, big up to you, brother. Amin, no, Armin. Is it Armin? I want to say Armin. A-M-I-N-E. Let me know. Jack Attack. Just attack you, you know. I can't remember. Hold on. Miraja Shepherd? Miraja? Yeah. Jimma Richardson, isn't it? Valentine, Work Hard, Play Hard. Sean Angus. Is it like an Angus burger? Mr. Crypto Noob, Theodus Jansen, Cosmic Momos, yeah? Block number 23. Is that where you got your money, yeah? Because on the block number... Adrian Kazoni? I think that's right. Ken Zepeda. Is it Zepeda? Because, it's just straight in Zepeda. Ada Matthew, Andrew Evans, Dan4666, Cosmos, Seymour... Ahmed? Let me know. Ross, Tobian Raka, Michael Thompson, Ben Evans, Ivan. I'm almost there. Kent Santos, Bruno Ball, Color with Courtney, Victor NGO? Let me know. Des, Tyrese X, Just Josh, and Aaron Valox. My God! Thank you so much. What a call. If you're still here, please drop that like. Thank you. I truly appreciate all my patrons. You must believe. I appreciate everyone. You guys as well watching. If you're still here, thank you so much. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Cheers!